Hello everyone, myself Ashwini Dulve. I am working in Kekiwa Mini School, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Student, in the last lesson, that is lesson number 4, we learn about Shivaji's childhood. Now in lesson number 5, we are going to learn Shivaji's education. Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit language. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artists and scholars of various languages. Students, today we are going to learn Shivaji's education. Shivaji Maharaj parents, Shahaji Raje and Jizabai, took great interest in Shivaji Maharaj education. Shahaji Raje thus selected very talented and good teacher to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj education started at the age of 7 years. Start. Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita on his own. The teacher of Shivaji Maharaj teach him to ride a horse, to use a sword. Shivaji Maharaj learned different skills of war and administration. Shivaji Maharaj learned wrestling. Shivaji Maharaj learned how to use danpatta and sword. Since Shahaji had to go to a campaign, so he sent Shivaji and Jizabai to Pune. Along with Shivaji, Shahaji Raje sent horses, elephant, infantries, money, flags, and his trusted men and excellent teachers. When Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood. He was happy to see the tall peaks of the Sahyadri again. Pune was a nice, small town at that time. Adil Shah had totally destroyed it and burnt it. Houses and temples were broken. People had run away from the town. Fields were left barren. Forests had grown everywhere. Wolves roamed in the countryside. Pune thus was totally in shambles and ruins. When the people living around came to know that Jizabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Jizabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. People started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. In the temple, worship began morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with people. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. Achievements of Dadaji Kondeo. Dadaji Kondeo looked after Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. Shahaji Raje has appointed Dadaji as the Subedar of Kondana fort. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was also just as a strict discipliner. He served with devotion. Dadaji Kondeo was a perfect in his account and was very disciplined. On Shahaji's instruction, Dadaji came to Pune to help Shivaji with the administration of Pune. When Jizabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondeo looked after the Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. He was very faithful. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was also just and a strict discipliner. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big Vada A residence was built in Pune by the order of Shahaji Raze. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. Dadaji taught Shivaji how to look after the people, decide rules, and give people justice. He also taught Shivaji things like spear throwing, archery, horsemanship, etc. Dadaji Kondev gave prizes for destroying wolves which harass the farmers and the people. Jijabai was already upset at the terrible way in which her father and brothers were killed. People living in the Maula region are known as Maulas. They were brave, hardworking, and quick. The Sultan really harassed them and they had no support. He felt really bad for these people. They were constantly on the run. He would talk to Jijabai about it. He wanted to do something for these people. Jijabai would encourage Shivaji to do good for the people. She told Shivaji that he was a descendant of Rama and Krishna, so he should also kill people. Jijabai did not want Shivaji to work for the Muslim kings. Jijabai wanted Shivaji to establish his own kingdom. In this way, with the support of Jijabai and Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji took charge of Pune. Shahaji sent very good administrators to help Shivaji look after the Jahangir. These were people like Shamrao Nilkant Peshwe, Donopant Dabir, Balkrishna Honmate, Muzamdar Atre, and Sabnis. The people in Shivaji's Jagir were very happy. They felt like they were living in the Swaraj itself. In this way, the town of Pune got totally new look. Shahaji on a campaign to capture Kingdom of the South. At that time, Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bangalore. Shahaji Raze could not attend the wedding because he was busy on the battlefield. As Shivaji was a young adult, a lot of exciting battles and conquests started happening in his life. Shivaji turned 14 years old and his wedding to Saibai was fixed. She was from the Naik Nimbarkar family of Paltan. The wedding was celebrated in style at the Lal Mahal. Student, in lesson number 5, Shivaji's education, we learn the first point, that is beginning of Shivaji Maharaj, rejuvenation of Pune, achievements of Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji's education, thought of Veer Mata Jijabai, new regime of Shivaji, and Shivaji's marriage. So these all the points we had covered in this lesson. Thank you. So in this way, in this lesson, we learn about Shivaji's education. Thank you.